All right, Cody, where are we?
We're Florida, Central Florida, out in the swamps.
Important to have all the other snakes, including the venomous ones. It's only the pythons that we're going after here. We're out here trying to save the environment for the animals, including the snakes, including the venomous snakes that belong out here and serve a purpose.
If you are vulnerable because of your socioeconomic status and you are living paycheck to paycheck, literal, you cannot go 2 to 3 weeks without a paycheck. You cannot get your house hurricane ready.
The Gulf of Mexico has lost over 85% of its reefs. Since 2014, we have recycled over 4,000 tons of oyster shells.
We're here in New Orleans, Louisiana for Mardi Gras 2019. We are.
This summer, we plan to produce first batch of biodegradable Mardi Gras beads. We can change. We don't need harm environment to keep our traditions.
Mardi Gras beads are strung together to become froze and tossed from breakpoints among other plastic trinkets.
Wow, so beautiful.
Great hike.
There are some things changing. We're getting higher tides than we used to, and it doesn't seem like much, but cumulatively, it's a lot.
Quick hike, quick hike. Just pass it. So we are currently just waking up. What's up? We met a person on that boat last night who came in, named Jay. He showed us his boat. It was pretty sweet.
Pretty good. Well, I'm an idiot for walking past them, but at least I put them far enough up. I'm happier with myself about that.
Yeah, it looks like even the highest tide tonight wouldn't have got them.
I'm a little dehydrated. My face is swollen and I can't tell why. And we're ready to head back in. Yo! This Walmart parking lot is insane. Would you agree, Cody?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we've stayed at over 50 different Walmarts and we haven't seen anything like this. So many trees. It's like a campground.